Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the WhatsApp web loading your chat problem. First, try refreshing the page. Sometimes a simple refresh can clear minor glitches and get your chats loading properly. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. This removes old data that might be causing issues with WhatsApp web, then log out and log back into WhatsApp web. This resets your session and can help eliminate loading problems. If the issue persists, restart your device. Rebooting your computer or phone often fixes temporary software glitches. Check your internet connection, ensure it's stable and strong. If needed, switch Wi-Fi networks or use a mobile hotspot to see if that resolves the problem. Also, make sure your WhatsApp app is updated on your phone. Close and reopen the app to clear any temporary bugs. And that's it. Following these steps should fix the loading problem and get your WhatsApp web chats working smoothly again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.